Biodiversity is a way of life. Biodiversity is the full variety of all the species that you see in the natural environment around you, like these waters, vegetative bushes, and animals. All these species across the face of the earth make up biodiversity. And it's not the species, it's also the genetic variabilities they have within them. And it is not just the genetic variabilities in all the species diversity, it's the diversity of ecosystem that they make up. Biodiversity is all those things. It's the evolutionary history which has given rise to that genetic variability to all that species. It's the function that all those ecosystems produce in providing clean water and in cycling nutrients. Biodiversity is all those things and the processes that result from the living world. Thus, we can say that biodiversity is the web of life. Since it's winter time, so we use this snow effect. I hope you loved it. Biodiversity is declining because of human beings. Human beings are so influencing in this biodiversity that wherever they go, they cause a global impact. Modernization, deforestation, new settlements have disturbed the biodiversity, and the main cause for this is their carelessness. Besides having positive sides, biodiversity has negative sides too, like diseases like malaria, dengue, viruses, harmful bacteria, worms, carnivorous animals, especially snakes and crocodiles, which we are most afraid of. So we must understand that we, the human beings, are a small part of the big biodiversity, and there are many other living beings who have their own habitat, and we must preserve, protect, and respect them. This is the real beauty, and beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.